Hi everyone, I'm making Taiwanese popcorn chicken, so keep watching and cook with me.
Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button so YouTube can share my videos with new viewers.
Cut your chicken into bite-sized pieces. I like using boneless chicken thighs with the skin on. Marinate your chicken with soy sauce, garlic, white pepper, salt, and 5-spice. Mix and marinate for at least 30 minutes. After marinating, add an egg and mix. Dust your chicken with tapioca flour just like so. Don't forget to shake off the excess flour. Let your chicken rest for 20 minutes. Heat up oil and fry your chicken until lightly golden brown and set aside. Crank up the heat and double fry your chicken until crispy. This will take about 2 minutes. Mix salt, 5-spice, white pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Use this mix to season your chicken. Lastly, fry your Thai basil for about 30 seconds and add it to your chicken. And that's it! Doesn't that look delicious? Yum!
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on that like button so YouTube can share my video with new viewers. And don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified each time I post a new video.